Welcome to the last problem in section 5. You've come a long way, and this problem is a little tricky, but with a little bit of calculation, you can get it right. So here, black is really short on liberties. Black groups here in the center only has 2 liberties left, but white is also short on liberties. So the first exchange should be this. This never hurts white's chances. And now the third move is really key. You might be thinking, this Atari, but this actually doesn't work. This will be a real eye versus no eye situation. White will not be able to come in, and black will win after 3 and 4. And you might be thinking this move, right? The hope is that black captures here. Now you can throw in twice and capture like this. White will succeed this way. Very neat. But the problem is that after number 3, black's number 4 can be just here. And now, white cannot succeed this way or this way, right? This will be an Atari on these 2 stones, 3 and 5. And white will fail this way after 3 and 4. The correct sequence here really keeps up the pressure on black by playing Atari moves only. So the next Atari is actually this one on these 2 stones. When black captures, white will throw in here. It's also an Atari on these 4 stones. When black captures number 5, white can now Atari from behind, and this will be a connect and die. Black cannot connect here because white can capture. So the best black can do is to capture number 3 and allow white to capture these 4 black stones. So 1, 3, 5, and 7 is the sequence for this problem. Congratulations on finishing this section. It is the shortest section in this book. And as I said at the beginning, capture techniques are really basic, which means that any high-level amateur player should be able to do all of these problems and explain them to beginners and lower-level amateur players. Capturing techniques are really important in real games as well, although capturing situations may not come up. But when you're playing josekis, when you're playing on the corners, on the sides, when you're fighting, you're constantly calculating whether you can capture your opponent or whether your opponents can capture you. You're constantly calculating the possibility of capture. And that is why mastering capture techniques and going through these exercise problems will be really, really helpful for playing real games. As always, if you have any comments or feedback, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Although this section is done, the other sections will still update daily until I go through all 520 problems in the Brilliancies from Go Classics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the other sections.